So today I'm going to be showing my whole fire alarm collection. Well, kind of. Yes, my flash is on. First is the most boring. It's a Spencer HWL remote horn. So yeah. Next is a remote light. Simplex True Alert. This is listed on eBay, by the way. It's a light, not a strobe. It's really hard to see. There's a light bulb in there, it's incandescent. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's the P2475RLW, which is fixed, kind of. Do need to paint the reflector and work on it a tiny bit more. But yeah, I do have a jumper on it. We have BG12. I don't have a key right now, so yeah. It's the pull station. Next pull station is DMP8050D. Don't have a key right now, so yeah. And last pull station is this. Needs some work, and yeah, there. Lastly, it's my most recent acquiration, a P2R LED. Of course, set to tone. Yep, it's a beautiful P2R LED. Oh wait, that's not all. There's also this custom alarm. Aux cord. Yep. And the strobe doesn't work. Horn does if you were to connect power, but yeah, it can be used as a speaker and does work. And it's using its original piezo too. So there you go. So let's just put all these up. This is all of them. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 alarms and stuff. I also have a bootleg manual call point and a bootleg alarm. The bootleg alarm is broken because, well, it was garbage. And the bootleg call point is not here because, well, it's mounted back at my main house, so yeah. By the way, this Simplex custom True Alert light is pretty cool. It's pretty bright. This and this is listed on eBay, by the way, so yeah. I can't show a video of this working because I don't have a power source right now, so yeah, but it works. It sounds weird with the power supply I have though. And this has been tested, so yeah. So all the alarms, and yeah. There you go. It's over. Goodbye.